Welcome back, everyone. Got a little bit of a weird one today. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a body pillow here, which is for anyone if you're like have a long distance relationship or you just want to like imagine yourself cuddling up to your favorite VTuber. Honestly, I don't care. I don't judge. You do you. This is an easy step to where you can make a body pillow without spending like $50 some and use some of your own resources. So what I have here is a polyester blanket. That's one of my favorites, and just 3 pillows. You can choose 2 or 3 depending on how long you want the length to be. It's really up to you or whatever. And we're gonna kind of start with the head pillow here. Now this one I am fond of, so I'm gonna have it at the head, have a little bit of a squishier one in the middle. Hold on, that's not the squishy one. This is the squishy one. And then you want like a firmer pillow at the end, is what I like to do, but you can do it however you want. Pretty simple. Now basically you're gonna want to take these 3 pillows, wrap them up like a burrito, just like this, and that should be simple enough. Basically, you want to make sure none of the pillows fall out or anything, and it'll make a really nice body pillow for whatever you want. It helps with sleep for me, so that's why I'm making this video. You can judge me or whatever, I don't care. It's kind of a bit of a joke video, but also semi-serious. Anyways, wrapping this up just like a burrito there. And yeah, see, nice and comfy. It's obviously your preference or whatever, and you have a lot of customization that you won't get with a normal body pillow. And you can even put a fabric on it or whatever if you like that sort of thing. I'm not into that. I kind of like just the feel of the blanket because, you know, you're going to have your eyes closed anyway. You're not going to be able to see anything. So anyways, it's a bit of a weird video. Hopefully you enjoy. Hopefully it helps you a little bit. Till next time, bye-bye. Thank you all for watching.